Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping right into the deep end of the AI revolution that's totally flipping SEO on its head. So get ready, because we've got a playbook that's going to help you master search in 2026 and way beyond.
So let's kick things off with this quote, because it really hits the nail on the head. SEO isn't dying, it's fragmenting. And this is so important to get. It just means your audience isn't just looking for you in one spot anymore. Nope. They're finding you in AI-generated answers, through visual search on their phones, on social media, you name it, the entire game has changed.
All right, so here's how we're going to break this all down. First, we'll look at what search really looks like in 2026. Then, we'll see how the old rules stack up against the new ones. After that, we're going to learn how to speak AI's language. Then we'll dive into the visual search revolution, and finally, we'll wrap it all up with a playbook you can actually use.
Okay, let's get into it. The search results page you're used to, yeah, by 2026, you're not even going to recognize it. We're talking AI overviews, incredible visuals. These aren't just extras anymore. They are the main event. And let me tell you, the stakes have never, ever been higher.
Okay, look, if you only remember one thing from this whole section, make it this: AI is the new gatekeeper. It's that simple. If your content isn't built so that an AI can understand it, digest it, and serve it up as an answer, well, for a lot of people, your content basically doesn't exist. It's that serious.
So how in the world do you actually win in this new reality? Well, you've got to start by tearing up your old definition of success. You know, all those metrics we used to obsess over? They're pretty much useless now. It's time for a brand new scorecard. Seriously? Forget about rankings and click-through rates. Those are relics. The new currency in SEO? It's all about influence. The questions you should be asking yourself are things like, is AI quoting me? Is my brand actually shaping the conversation? Am I influencing my customers' decisions, even if they never click a link? That's what matters now.
And this table just lays it all out, doesn't it? We are making this massive shift from just ranking pages to owning entire topics. It's not about stuffing keywords anymore. It's about owning conversations. It's not about getting a click. It's about building rock-solid trust.
And that right there is the bottom line. It's the absolute heart of this new strategy. Your goal isn't just traffic anymore. Your goal is to become unforgettable. You want to be the name that pops into someone's head, whether that someone is a person or an AI, when they need a source they can trust.
Okay, so how do you become that unforgettable, trusted source? Well, you have to learn to speak AI's language. And I gotta say, I'm really excited about this part. So get ready to learn two new acronyms that are going to change everything for you: AEO and GEO.
First up is AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization. I want you to think of it like this. You're basically a chef preparing a perfect meal for a very picky robot. You're making your content so well-structured, so clear, and so easy to digest that the AI just can't help but serve it up to its users.
So what's on the menu for this AI? You know, what are the ingredients that make it go, wow, this is exactly what I was looking for? Because you have to remember, an AI doesn't read the way we do. It hunts for patterns and structure. Well, it turns out AI has a clear preference for order and clarity. It absolutely loves things like direct answers, simple definitions, and scannable lists or tables. The more organized and predictable your information is, the more the AI is going to trust it, and you.
And here you have it, a simple 5-step recipe to make any page perfectly ASEO ready. This isn't just some vague theory, it's a practical formula. Just follow these steps. Define your main topic right away. Answer the core question concisely. Break everything down into clear sections. You do that, and you'll be serving up ASEO-ready content in no time.
Okay, so that was AEO. Now for its partner, GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. Now, if AEO is the recipe for that perfect dish, then GEO is your reputation as a world-class chef. It's all about building a consistent, trustworthy brand signal across the entire web so that AI learns over time that you are a reliable source.
But hold on, we're not done yet. Not by a long shot. This AI revolution isn't just about text. It is becoming incredibly visual. So you might want to buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the visual search revolution.
Now, when it comes to video, there are a few things that are just non-negotiable in 2026. First, every single important video you have needs its own dedicated page on your site. That's its home. Second, you got to use accurate schema markup to tell search engines exactly what the video is about. Don't skip that. And finally,
Give it a transcript. An AI can't watch a video, but man, it can read a transcript and pull out all the best parts. These are table stakes now.
And the same exact principle applies to your images. It is all about context, context, context. You need to pack your images with so much information that they basically speak for themselves, to both people and machines. That means using descriptive file names, not just gibberish. It means writing captions that add real value. And it means putting those images right next to the text they relate to. You're trying to build a complete, rich picture for the AI.
Okay, we've talked a lot of theory. Now for my favorite part, putting it all into action. Let's get our hands dirty, right? Here is your playbook for winning in the AI era. These are real, concrete steps you can take literally this week.
Now please, don't look at this list and get overwhelmed. This isn't about some massive, overhaul everything tomorrow kind of project. It's about starting smart. Just pick 5 of your most important pages and give them a quick AEO makeover. Add a few definition blocks. Validate your schema. That takes, what, a few minutes? The key here, the real secret, is to take small, focused steps to build momentum. You can totally do this.
Which brings us to the one single question that's going to define your success from here on out. I mean, this is the question you should probably print out and tape to your monitor. In 2026, are you creating content to just be another search result? Or are you building an asset that is the definitive source? The choice, my friends, is yours.